Hey YouTube, Bikes and Bullets. Welcome back to the channel. We switched gears up a little bit here. Actually changed gears quite a bit. Got some traffic coming by here. This mainly goes out to my wife, my son and daughter-in-law. A little progress out here on the property, soon to be the homestead and our retirement home, and also going to be a place of business for me. I'm going to be using the BH150 to pull some stumps. I've had some practice with it already, and this thing is actually a little workhorse. Very impressed. First tractor I've owned, and it's a TYM 2515H hydrostatic model. I haven't had no issues with it at all, and I mean like at all. I've got just over 20 and a half hours on it. I'm loving it. I drive it, if you do the speed limit, it's about 4 minutes from my brother's and sister-in-law's property down the road, and this thing does like all of 15 miles an hour on the hardball, or what you call a paved road, dirt roads, things like that, where it gets really bumpy. Kind of take my time, but so far so good. This thing is a keeper. As long as I keep the maintenance on it, I don't plan on really ever getting rid of it for any reason. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and dig out some stumps. So if you're watching this, thank you. If you like it, thumbs up, like it. You don't need to necessarily share it. My goal is to, traffic. People are real friendly around here. They wave at you. It's really cool. More traffic. My goal on this channel, I'm a novice. I'm a newbie. This, like I said, this is my first tractor. So far, so good. Took a little bit to get used to the controls on them. They're actually relatively simple when it comes to operation. The key, like most things, is just get used to using it to where it becomes second nature, no different than driving a car or riding a motorcycle. But my goal is, back to the point, is to show my failures, not so much my successes. Come along with me and learn. And I'm going to be blunt, be honest. I know people out there, they expect a certain amount of professionalism that goes into their videos, or how they conduct themselves or carry themselves. We're all human beings. And with that said, I believe that it'd be best just to show people your failures more so than your successes. Not a lot of editing. There will be some, but not a lot. I'll try and keep it as raw as possible and cordial as possible. I believe in freedom of speech. You're free to critique. Ridicule, we'll see where that goes. If you ridicule, expect ridicule back. That's how this works, right? So anyways, thanks for watching, and enjoy. More traffic. People are real friendly, they wave. Enjoy the clip. I'm not super experienced. Here comes a bus. Not super experienced at all, but this is just to show you, if I can do it, you can do it. And that's the idea behind this. It doesn't always take an expert, professional, or whatever to accomplish your goal or your mission. As long as you try hard. To me, that's always been really important. Anyways, thanks for watching and enjoy the clip.